Hi friend, I'm your OPPO service advisor, and today I'll quickly show you how to find your nearest OPPO service center. It's really simple. First, open the OPPO India support website then. Just enter your city name or PIN code and hit search. Instantly, you'll see all nearby OPPO service centers with their addresses, contact numbers, and working hours. That is super easy, right? So whether you need a quick repair, software help, or just guidance, your nearest OPPO service center is only a few clicks away. Thank you for choosing OPPO. We're always here to help you. Team白少燕郊汉小